Speaker Wetangula.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.
Mwancho muligere libono maiga yogotiani wa kwa chumba abo baigomba baba kachikura asoko mochora omonogeri bwebunkenene ase ekimina ne kyarenge gati ya Kenneth Marende na boigo Moses Wetangula akorende Moses Wetangula obaga kwenyorera obubwi asoko mubwa Kenneth Marende Wetangula gukwana chingaki echo nigabaga wakambya mono ase ukobwatsi woko nakoria ira yogocha kobwatrana na bachumbe bonsi kwene kyabuna obokoreri obuya bwabeire bokorwe wawo cyase abananchi Chinga kicho yokabeire omubunke ogose omonogeri bwebunkenene Justin Muturi oyobaga kwena nobura igochiase Moses Wetangula nigabaga kumwakira ngambya monaso buyo bona kumugania kwikirania mirimo yaye buna ebwenerete.
Honorable Speaker, congratulations on your election as the 8th Speaker of the National Assembly of the Republic of Kenya, on whom falls the greatest responsibility of guardianship of the authority of this House. I do wish you well and commend that you submit to the will of the House. As you assume the office and embark on discharging the duties of the Speaker, I trust that you will find this set of past rulings by your predecessors most useful. Congratulations, Mr. Speaker.
I wish to express my heartfelt gratitude to the honorable members here assembled for the high honor that you have bestowed upon me by electing me as the Speaker of this august House. I accept and submit to your will, and I'm ready to serve as the 8th Speaker of the National Assembly since our independence. I unequivocally submit myself to the collective will of this House and reiterate my singular desire to serve with the impartiality, fidelity to the Constitution and the laws of this land, our standing orders, practices, precedents, and traditions